Hello students, today I am explaining you 10th class maths chapter 7 coordinate geometry exercise 7.3 question number is 2 first bit. So first I read the question. Find the value of k for which the points are collinear. The points are given 7, -2, 5, 1 and 3, k. So what they given the points that are collinear. It means what? Area of the triangle is a delta equal to 0. So let us solve this problem. So already in the question they are saying collinear points. It means what? Delta equals to 0. Area of triangle equal to 0. And given the points are what? So this is the first point and second point and the third point. First point is 7, -2 and second point is 5, 1. Third point is a 3, k. First point is 7, -2. Second point is 5, 1. Third point is 3, k. So let this is x1, y1 and it is x2, y2 and this is what? x3, y3. Then write the area of triangle formula. Delta is equals to half mod of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So after this make it as a box. And next we want to substitute this x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 values in this formula. See how I am substituting it. Now delta is equals to half mod of x1. x1 is what? 7. 7 into y2. y2 is 1 minus formula minus and y3. y3 is k plus x2. x2 is 5. 5 into y3. y3 is k minus y1. y1 is -2. Then minus into minus plus 2 and plus x3. x3 is 3 into y1. y1 is -2 minus y2. y2 is 1 and equal to 0 because it says collinear point. Collinear points means what? Delta equals to 0. Now write 1/2 mod of, see 7 ones are 7 minus 7 into k, 7k plus 5 into k, 5k plus 5 2s are 10 plus 3 into -2 minus 1 is what? -3 equal to 0. Next write 1/2 mod of 1/2 mod of 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 10 plus into minus 3 3s are 9 equal to 0. 1/2 mod of, see first simplify the k terms. Minus 7k plus 5k is minus 2k. And next the constants. 7 plus 10 is 17. 17 minus 9 is 8 plus 8 plus 8 equal to 0. Now transfer this denominator to right side. So we can write now mod minus 2k plus 8 is equals to 0 into 2. So minus 2k plus 8 is equals to 0 into 2 is what? 0. Write minus 2k as it is. So transfer this plus 8 to right side, that becomes -8. Then minus minus cancel, k is equals to 8/2. So 2 ones are 2 fours are. K is equals to 4. So that is the answer. Yes. Now we have one more problem in the same exercise. So exercise 7.3, question number 4. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in the order are -4, -2, -3, -5, 3, -2 and 2, 3. So what they ask in the problem? Find the area of the quadrilateral and given 4 points. So we have to take that the points are in order. So let us solve this question. So first we draw the quadrilateral diagram. So it is a quadrilateral diagram. So this is the A point and it is B, C, D are in order A, B, C, D. Right, the A point is what? -4, -2 and B is given -3, -5 and C is 3, -2 and D is 2, 3. Now we want to find the area of the quadrilateral. So for this we want to draw any one diagonal, either AC or BD. See here I am drawing a connecting or joining AC. AC is one of the diagonal. While I draw this diagonal, this quadrilateral diagram divide into two triangles. So we can now find the area of ABC and the area of ACD. Then if we add them, we will get the area of the quadrilateral. So first we find area of the ABC, area of the triangle ABC, where A is equals to, A is what? -4, -2 and B is equals to -3, -5 and C is equals to 3, -2. Let the first point is x1, y1 and second point is x2, y2 and the third point is what? x3, y3. Now write the area of the triangle formula. Delta is equals to 1/2 mod of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is what formula. Now we substitute this x1, y1 and x2, y2, x3, y3 values in this formula. Delta is equals to half mod of x1. x1 is what? -4 into y2. y2 is -5 and write this formula minus y3. y3 is -2. Minus into minus plus 2 plus x2. x2 is what? -3 into y3. y3 is -2 minus y1. y1 is what? -2. Minus into minus plus 2 plus x3. x3 is 3 into y1 minus y2. y1 is -2 minus y2. y2 is -5. Minus into minus plus 5. So after this we simplified it. Delta is equals to half mod of -4 into -5 plus 2 is -3 plus into minus -3 -2 plus 2 is 0 plus 3 into -2 plus 5 is +3. So delta is equals to half mod of minus into minus plus 4 3s are 12 minus 3 into 0, 3 into 0 is 0 plus 3 3s are 9 delta is equals to half mod of, so 12 plus 9 is what? 21. 12 plus 9 is what? 21. Now delta is equals to half into 21. So 2 tens are 20, 2 fives are 10. If this 21 divided with 2, we get 10.5. So area of ABC is equals to 10.5 square unit. Area of ABC is what? 10.5 square unit. This area is 10.5. Yes, we need to find out one more area of the triangle, that is ACD. Area of the triangle ACD, where A is equals to -4 comma -2, and C is equals to 3 comma -2, and D 2 comma 3. Now assume the first point is x1 y1, and second point is x2 y2, and third point is x3 y3. Now write the area of the triangle formula. Delta is equals to mod of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, and make it box. Now substitute these points x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 in this formula. Right, delta is equals to half mod of x1. x1 is what? -4 into y2. y2 is -2, and minus y3. y3 is what? 3, plus x2. x2 is 3 into y3. y3 is 3. y3 is what here? 3, minus y1. y1 is -2. Minus into minus, plus 2, plus x3. x3 is what? 2 into y1. y1 is -2 minus y2. y2 is -2. Minus into minus, plus 2. So delta equals to half mod of -4 into -2 minus 3 is -5, plus 3 into 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 2 into -2 plus 2 is a 0, is equals to half mod of minus into minus plus 4 5s are 20, plus 3 5s are 15, plus 2 into 0 0. Next we simplified this. Delta is equals to half mod of 20 plus 15 is 35. Delta is equals to half into 35. So 2 ones are 2, 1 remains 15, 2 sevens are 14, then 0.2 5s are 10. Now delta is equals to 17.5. Therefore area of ACD is equals to 17.5 square unit. So this is what? 17.5. So finally we can conclude area of quadrilateral ABCD is equals to area of ABC plus area of ACD. So area of ABC is what? 10.5 plus area of ACD is 17.5. Is now add them, 10.5 and it is 17.5. So 10, 8, 2, 28 square units. Area of quadrilateral ABCD. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is a 28 square units. Is the answer.